This is All India Radio Shillong. The Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma along with State Legislative Assembly Speaker Metbah Lyngdoh met Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla in Delhi yesterday. Speaking after the meeting, Lyngdoh said they have apprised the Lok Sabha Speaker of the progress of the construction of Meghalaya Assembly. The Speaker has agreed to visit Meghalaya later this month. Later, the Chief Minister, along with other ministers of the state, met 4 union ministers and discussed with them various projects to be implemented in the state and urged the centre to support the state financially. Schools in Nagaland resumed yesterday after 11 months of hiatus due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The Directorate of School Education has permitted resumption of regular classes for students of classes 6 and above in all the schools in Nagaland from February 8th following strict guidelines. For the safety of students, teachers and all concerned, the Chief Secretary J. Alam has issued the standard operating procedures on February 1st stipulating the preventive measures to contain the spread of COVID-19 in educational institutions for strict compliance throughout the state. Principal Director of School Education Shanawaz C said that the attendance in schools is voluntary. Manipur Chief Minister Biren Singh informed the State Assembly yesterday that after the implementation of Inner Line Permit System from 1st January 2020, the government has collected more than 2.5 crore rupees as permit fee. Manipur was brought under ILP system in Parliament on 9th December 2019. Replying to a question raised by an opposition MLA on the 4th day of the 12th session of the 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly yesterday, Mr. Biren said that a total of 1,62,902 permits have been issued in 4 categories during the year 2020 and a total of 3,636 permits have also been renewed so far. Assam Rifles seized 120 bags of smuggled human hairs in Chhungte area under Champhai district near the Indo-Myanmar border. The illegal consignment of human hair was seized during an operation carried out by a joint team of Satchi Battalion of 23rd Sector Assam Rifles and the Customs Department based on a specific information. The contraband worth 1.80 lakh rupees was handed over to the Customs Department for further step. Human hair, which is considered a waste material in most parts of the world, is a highly versatile material with significant potential in several critical areas such as agriculture, medical applications, construction materials and pollution control. Manipur Chief Minister Biren Singh yesterday handed over cash reward of 10 lakh rupees to Paoyi Village Authority of Ukhrul District at a gathering held at the Chief Minister's Secretariat. The cash reward was announced by the Chief Minister as a token of appreciation for destroying poppy plantations by the villagers. Lauding the villagers for their resolve to destroy poppy plantation, he said that the state government has put its best possible efforts to curb drug abuse and trafficking. He assured that a market shed with an estimated cost of around 10 lakh rupees and a primary health center would be constructed in the village soon. Apart from this, a water supply scheme would also be constructed under the Jal Jeevan mission. The government would consider development of a cultural heritage site as suggested by the villagers. He also urged them to create awareness on government's war on drugs campaign to their neighboring villages. In Meghalaya, one COVID-19 related death was reported from East Khasi Hills district yesterday, taking the total number of deaths to 148. One new COVID-19 case was also recorded, while 3 recoveries were registered, bringing the number of recovered cases to 13,604. The total number of COVID-confirmed cases stands at 13,886, including 134 active cases. In Nagaland, 2 new COVID-19 cases were detected yesterday, taking the total confirmed cases to 12,160. In addition, 11 patients have recovered from the infection. The total recovered cases in the state stands at 11,837, while the number of active cases is 84. No COVID-19 death was reported in the state for the last 3 weeks. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.